How did Roman catapult operators aim the projectiles? Have you ever wondered how ancient Roman catapult operators managed to hit their targets with such precision during battles and sieges? The art of aiming these powerful machines was no small feat. Let's break down the fascinating methods they used. First off, Roman catapults, like the Ballista, Scorpion, and Onager, were designed with clever mechanisms. These machines had adjustable features that allowed operators to control both the angle and tension of the throwing arm. The torsion springs, made from twisted ropes or animal tendons, stored energy to launch projectiles. By tweaking the tension and adjusting the elevation angle, operators could tailor their shots for different distances and targets. Next, visual observation played a key role. Operators aimed primarily during daylight, watching the flight path of the projectiles. They noted where stones or bolts landed and made incremental adjustments for the next shot. This trial and error process allowed them to focus their fire on specific enemy positions, like battlements or troops that were exposed. Experience was another vital factor. Skilled artillerymen developed a solid understanding of their machines. They learned how different weights of projectiles and tension levels affected range and accuracy. This hands-on knowledge was essential since they did not have modern aiming instruments. During sieges, operators often targeted the same spot repeatedly, especially at night. This strategy helped maintain pressure on the enemy and caused damage or casualties. It required careful initial aiming and the ability to replicate settings for consistent fire. The repeated hits on a single target showcased the accuracy they could achieve. Different types of catapults had their own unique aiming methods. The Ballista, resembling a giant crossbow, fired large bolts or stones with remarkable speed. Its frame allowed for fine adjustments in elevation and direction. The Scorpion, a smaller and more portable weapon, was aimed in a similar way but focused mainly on personnel rather than fortifications. The Onager, a single-arm catapult, used torsion power to hurl heavy stones. Operators adjusted the arm's tension and angle to strike walls or enemy formations effectively. Roman commanders relied heavily on catapults to weaken enemy defenses. They targeted walls, towers, and troops, as noted by leaders like Julius Caesar, who recognized the effectiveness of catapult fire in taking out key enemy warriors. The ability to aim accurately allowed the Romans to break down fortifications, paving the way for infantry assaults. In summary, Roman catapult operators combined mechanical adjustments, keen observation, and practical experience to aim their projectiles with impressive accuracy. Their methods were essential for delivering effective fire during sieges, making catapults a vital part of Roman military strategy and engineering.